Hey now, let's check out global tokens, folder tokens, and CRM tokens in Paminga, and we'll see how we can use them to achieve personalization at scale very easily. So I'm going to hover my face up here. We'll go to my account settings. That'll show me where I've got some global tokens over here. These are effectively standard global tokens. And over here, we can create as many custom global tokens as we want. I'm going to pinch and zoom. We'll see what we've got. Whoops. We've got our company name. This could be comma incorporated, so you can have a display name that's separate if you want. Then we've got basic stuff: company headquarters, address, city, state, postal, country, phone, URL. So those are your standard tokens available to you everywhere. But you can create as many custom tokens as you want. And we can create them using all these different types. We've actually got some other cool stuff that we'll be adding to there. We can do like, layouts and stuff as tokens. But for now, this is what we've got. And we'll use privacy URL. This one's a fake one from a demo yesterday, I think. But here's a privacy URL of Paminga, and we'll use that as an example as we go a little bit further. Let's jump back to that email I was looking at. It's in video assets. It's the only thing in there. I'll double click on that find email. And here we are in Paminga's email builder, where I've already put the word some text here. Let's make this link to our privacy policy. So I'll just double click here and I'll change it to say privacy. And up here, this toolbar came up when I double clicked on it. I can do various things with it, one of which is I could throw emojis in here, but we're not here to talk about emojis. We're here to talk about personalization. So I'm going to, I mess it up. Actually, what I want to do is make it a link to the privacy policy. So I'll make it a link. And rather than putting in a hard-coded URL, I will click personalize with tokens. And now I've got the choice of using standard and custom fields. So these are CRM tokens, actually a little bit more than that. So all of your standard and custom fields for contacts, leads, and accounts that sync over from Salesforce or any other CRM are going to be available here as standard fields. And if we scroll further, we'll get to some sample custom fields in this demo instance of Paminga. In Paminga, everything's always searchable. So if I type email, we can find everything very quickly that has anything to do with an email address. I can go to folder tokens. I don't think I really have created any folder tokens here. I don't actually have any. So let's pretend. Let's go to our file. We'll right click on our video assets. We'll go to manage tokens. We'll create a new token called sample. And then we'll give it a text value of hello world. And now I've created a folder-based token. Now when I go back to this email and I want to go, let's see, I'll have to double click on, there we go. I'm going to create a link and I can say personalize with tokens and I'll hit folder tokens. And now I should have, I might have to refresh. Lame. We'll take care of that. I'll refresh super fast. Go down here, double click on privacy, and then click link, and then click this guy. And then when I go to my folder tokens, it's going to be there. There we go. I could put in a sample, but I don't want that. I want to use my privacy URL from global tokens. So here I have my standard global tokens and my custom global tokens. I'll use my privacy URL. I'll hit save. I'm not even going to bother with the default value. I'll hit create. I could put UTM tags on it, of course. It's going to open a new tab. Very nice. There we go. So now I've got a privacy URL link. We'll go to preview this email and I'll scroll down. Here's our privacy. I click it, opens up in a new tab, takes me to Paminga's privacy policy, close that tab, back where I started. And there you go. So we can do amazing things with this because you can use these folder tokens. Marketo people know this. HubSpot people, you desperately want to know this because you don't have it in HubSpot. You can put an unlimited number of tokens on this folder, and any downline folders you want to create from here. And then when you go to use those tokens, let's just go ahead and play around. We're going to create, I'm going to pretend like I'm just going to manage tokens. You can show inherited tokens. I'm not going to have any, I don't think. Yeah, because I'm creating at the workspace level in this instance. But that'll show you every token all the way downstream. So now imagine in this folder, you've got a landing page to register for an event with a form for that event. And then you've got, a drip series of 6 emails to try to get them to register for the event. Then you've got another drip series of 4 emails to remind them to come to the event that they register for. You've got an autoresponder for registration, thanking them to register, all these different assets. The event name doesn't appear in any of those assets even once. It's all based on the token value from the event, which gets exposed automatically the way we do it. I didn't show that here. It's really cool. Your event name, location, start time, end time, link to Google Maps to drive there, instructions, dietary needs, blah, blah, blah. All the stuff you want is in tokens. And that's what you use on your landing page, in your form, in your form, in all of your emails, etc. And here's the magic. You right click, you clone that entire folder to start your next event. You don't have to go manually edit all that stuff in 17 different emails and landing page and form. It's all based on the tokens. When you clone, the tokens come over. This is personalization at scale, and pretty cool. You should check out Paminga.